What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Snkrmom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Bone. Let's get into it. First, you got your same number 350 box. It has 350 right here on the top of the box. This side of the box says Boost. We're going to turn this side right here, and it says Yeezy 350 V2, made by Adidas. But then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2, and the colorway is Bone, Bone, Bone. Let's get into the insides. Opening it up, you got the same normal slide-out box with its nice cream tissue paper on the inside of the box. But let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Yeezy 350 Bone.
Music.
Alright, first of all, the shoe first released back in March 21st. Came out March 21st, retail for $230. So this was a restock, came out today, June the 20th. I was able to cop. This time wasn't able to get on the first time, because the first time I was like, I'll pass. An all white 350, don't need it. But after seeing these in hand, I think I really like them. I don't have an all white shoe that's just all white, and what better shoe to get than a Yeezy 350 that's a super comfy shoe, and then it's just all white, so you can't go wrong with it. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, it's just an all white Primeknit shoe, whole shoe, all white Primeknit going across the whole top of the shoe. You got that translucent stripe right here coming across the side of the shoe. You're gonna flip to the back of the shoe. You got that nice canvas pull tab right here on the back of the shoe. Just all white also. Inside the shoe reads Yeezy, and then it just has the Adidas symbol right there on the inside of the shoe. Nothing too much into it. And you got this white translucent bottom right here coming across the side. The bottom all translucent with that Boost at the bottom of the shoe also. Coming back to the top of the shoe, you got the all white laces, no extra laces, just all white regular laces, not the ones that had a pull tab with it, just all white. That's pretty much it. You just got your all white 350. I mean, if you have some all white shoes, I wouldn't say you need these if you really, didn't need have any white shoes. But these right here, I don't have any whites, and like I said, I love 350s. Some people don't. Saying 350s then fell off. To me, I love them, so they're very comfy, easy shoe to just grab, put on, and go. So I went ahead and went for them, was able to compliment my local Finish line, and yeah, that's just, I mean, like I said, just pretty much it. Just an all white 350. I mean, you can't go wrong. As you can see, you still got that semi-translucent side right here where you can see, so whenever color socks you have on, you will be able to see it right here going through the stripes. So if you just want to continue to just look like a clean white shoe, I would say just make sure you wear some white socks. But if you want to bring it out a little bit, throw on different color socks, you would definitely see what kind of socks you got on come across right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. This is the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that, where you got your all white Primeknit come across the whole upper of the shoe, all Primeknit. You got that canvas pull tab in the back, all white. Then we're gonna turn to the side. You got this translucent, semi-mesh translucent stripe right here going across the side of the shoe. You can, like I said, you can see through it when you put on your socks. So if you wanted to stay clean, all white, make sure you wear some white socks. You got your all white shoestrings. Inside of the shoe says Yeezy, and it has that little globe that they've been going for here lately, just to show they are made with recycled materials, which is a very good thing nowadays. Comes with this extra little tag on the side of the shoe that also says made with the recycled materials in plastic waste. So that's one. And then this tag right here just says the size, and it's US size 6.5. Nothing major about these two tags. You got this semi-translucent bottom coming across the bottom of the shoe, going all the way to the bottom of the shoe under here where you got that boost. And then yeah, that's, like I said, that's pretty much it. I mean, this colorway came out today. This was the bone. The onyx came out also, which was an all black pair. Tried to go for those because they wasn't as easy accessible as these were. These seem to come out everywhere today, but the black ones, they seem to be just only exclusive to Confirmed and Yeezy Supply. And of course, you know, nobody can hardly hit on Yeezy Supply, so that was a loss for me. And then Confirmed, for some reason, I have never ever hit on Confirmed. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Do you have good luck with Confirmed, or do you have bad luck like me? And I have never hit anything on Confirmed. I don't understand. I have a bunch of points. I'm like the number one, whatever tier it is. Never hit anything, so I don't understand. But I still went for them, wasn't able to hit. So I got the onyx. I mean, I got the bone. Can't complain. All white shoe, very nice for the summer. Just to, you know, put on. You can put it on with anything. It's all white. You can't go wrong. It's like this is the Yeezy of Air Force Ones. If you have all white Air Force Ones, and you don't need these because it's all white. But if you like Yeezys like me and you want comfortability, and these are just an all white shoe, you can't go wrong. The Yeezy 350 bone. So totally up to you, totally up to your preference. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did y'all go for these today? Did you pass on them? Did you try to go for the onyx? Was you able to hit on those? Just let me know what y'all think about them. Or are you over 350s like so many people have said 350s are dead? You let me know what you think about them. Or some people just don't even like Yeezy. So we can, hey, whatever you thinking, sign out down in the comments. Let me know. I'll chat back with you. You know, we can go back and forth on, you know, what we think about these shoes. Sizing wise, like I said, mostly all my Yeezys, I always size a half a size up. So I got a 6.5 in these. My normal size is a men's 6, but in Yeezys, like I said, go up a half a size. I got a 6.5. They fit just right, perfectly, with that little tad bit of room in the toe. That's what I like. I like that little bit of wiggle room in the front. But if you like for your feet to fit snug, then just go true to size and you should be fine. But like I said, mostly all my Yeezys, I go a half a size up. And yeah, that's pretty much it for these. Y'all just let me know what y'all think about them. The Yeezy 350 bone, can't go wrong, all clean colorway, just all white. All white, that's all we got with these. If you're new to watching my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Snkrmom1721. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl Snkrmom. Peace.
This is Phase Music.